Bonjour everybody! Nice to see you again. I'm back in France. It's September 2020. I just spent 3 months abroad working, and yeah, I'm back in France in my future home doing a lot of renovations. There's still so much work to do. Let's get it going. Safety first. For me, safety is of the utmost importance. That's why I put down 2 pieces of wood. It does work this way. It really does work this way. It's a lot of fun. I really should wear my mask, but it really is a lot of fun. And it looks good. This was fun. Now I've got to clean up all of this mess. And that's it for today. I forgot what a fucking messy business this is, and it's only the beginning. But I mean, I'm gonna be a happy dude once this is finished. But yeah, I'm making a big mess all over this place, all over my floor. but it doesn't need to look perfect. It is all second hand, and I think this looks fantastic. I've got another construction going on in the next room, which is basically another chimney. This baby. I've got the tiles, I've got everything. Bless you! This doesn't look too bad at all. That's what I did yesterday. And in case you're wondering why I didn't do the borders, the corners, that's where the insulation is gonna go. Very smooth. Good job. And all the insulation is gonna go there. I've got 20 centimeters and the wall is not straight, so that's gonna be another adventure. Today I'm gonna treat my living room ceiling, that baby, with anti-pesticide and anti whatever stuff, which is very toxic. This place is gonna look great in a couple of years. Who are you? Oh, I think that's my neighbor.